Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to the Light Tommy C. Hello, hello, and welcome everybody to a fantastic Saturday. Today's video, what we are planning to talk about is my 4 tips for using radio scanners inside on a cruise ship. That's gonna be our goal today, and that's what we are talking about. So number one is, if you guys are wanting to use some great radios, I would recommend you guys either go to the because Carnival would let you with some expectations, and I don't know what those expectations are. Okay, it's also let you guys know there is so many different radios that you guys can listen to on a cruise ship. Number one, you guys can listen to medical. Number two, you guys can listen to their primary channel, which I don't know what's on it, so please, I will probably take a video of it when I get on there, if I could take my radio scanner. But I know I will be able to take you guys with me. It's also let you guys know. We got a couple of good, really good stuff coming up on the life of Tommy C. Number one, we got the spring games coming up on May 1st, and I cannot hesitate. I am excited to bring it to you. It's also looking around at the different stuff that you guys can do on this cruise ship. On the Carnival Legend, you guys got number one, you guys got different stuff using so many different radios and different stuff. But also you guys can go look around at the several different places. It's also when I'm feeling really, 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 really excited about. I am feeling excited about getting to go to Bermuda in 35 more days. And I am so excited. And I'm so excited that I'm also going to try out a new port. I'm also going to get to try out some Carnival food that I have missed for a while. Also watching several different areas, looking around. You guys got number one. Like number one, you guys can listen to like like different stuff. Like number one, I sadly on there, once we get out to sea, I will not be able to like upload, so I'm gonna have to upload when I get home. And that's okay. It's like also it's like also looking around like at the different stuff that we have for like this cruise. We got a great swimming pool. We got Guy's Bird Joint. We also got we also got a lot and a lot and a lot of different stuff. It's like also it's like also looking around like at the several different places that there's to eat on there. You got of course you got the Carnival buffet. And of course you guys got the you guys also got the Guy's Burger Joint, and holy cow, I am feeling really, really, really excited about. But it's like also looking around like like talking about the radio scanner that we are listening to today. Today what we are listening to, I'm trying to get ready for my trip to Baltimore. And I just really, 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 really can't wait. And I just feel really so excited. Just honestly. It's like also, it's like also looking around like at the different places. Like we also got like some different stuff that I'm feeling really excited about. Like the different food, like also I'm excited about the different shows. And also I'm feeling excited about using like the different stuff on there. And I also cannot wait. I can't wait to 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 listen to the water. Like once we go out and see what the Carnival cruise is all about. It's like also it's like also looking around like at the several different places. It's like also it's like also to show you guys like what I'm watching right now. I'm currently watching Josh Hokum right now. In this video, he's currently on the Carnival Mardi Gras. And I got to tell you something. Like, holy cow, I'm feeling like it's like also it's like also looking around like at the several different stuff they have. It's like number one, the all-time favorite thing that I'm looking forward to is trying out the food on the cruise ship. And also watching the Carnival Seaside Theater. And I gotta tell you guys something. I am feeling excited. And I can't wait to bring it to you guys. Alright guys, that's it. That's it for today's video. I just wanted to let you guys know like like what I'm excited about for our different stuff on the Carnival Cruise Lines, plus also let you guys know how my morning went. Alright guys, that's it. Today, goodbye.